What's your name?
Javian.
We're going to ask you some questions, sir.
The police.
Mind telling me your name?
Digital.
Teresa.
Patricia. Lenisha.
DJ Kid, aka Gospel Guy.
My name is Carl Matthew Smith.
Hey guys.
May I have a moment out of the time?
You smart.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna take a range.
Hello guys, it's Likkle Wizzies and today we're in Wicked Village.
Wicked Village. No, Wicked Village with there.
Wick Village?
Wick Village.
No man, Wicca Village.
Yeah man, Wicca.
Wicca. We're here in Mobay in Wicca Village.
Bigger Bredda and Likkle Bredda doing another public interview.
Today we have a guest appearance.
Yeah, this is Andre Wisdom. You can follow me on Instagram at Wizkid_4.k.
You can check out in YouTube channel. We are going to be right over. Yes, so. If FAT is fat and HER is...
Hold on there, too me fat, make you ask me that question.
No. Sir, no, sir. What is FAT HER?
Father. Father.
If FAT is fat and HER is her,
When you put the two of them together, what you get?
Fatter.
HER is her
Yeah.
and FAT is fat.
Father.
Fatter.
One again.
Come on, man. Come on.
Try again, sir.
so if FAT is fat,
Yeah?
And HER is her.
what is FAT HER?
Fatter.
No, God! Fatter.
No.
You sure?
You sure?
You sure somebody calls me fat, make you ask me that question?
No, man.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Father.
Spell father.
FATHER.
If you first say FAT are fat, and you say if HAR, then eventually if you put the two words together, fat and er go together, fatter.
Now spell fatter.
FAT. Come on. Will you get me this thing?
Oh, big up YouTube channel. You don't know anything though. I know it's a Wicked Village, so I don't know it's all about the vibes, chill out spot.
When you're busy, link up, Likkle Wizzies. Busy. Good afternoon. What's your name?
Teresa.
3 fish in a bowl.
And two of them drowned.
How much left alive?
Yeah.
Come on, leave.
1.
You sure?
One.
Sure?
How much left?
None.
How much left?
One.
We ain't got all day. Fish can't drown.
How much I said? 3? 3. And 2 of them drowned. Yeah, how much left? Fish can't drown. Correct.
You smart. You very smart.
Na bowl.
Yeah.
Bowl.
Did you remove the ones that drowned?
Still four.
Why?
Because you take up the fish.
No, the kitty there at the bad.
I'll figure that because fish can't drown.
Correct.
Na 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 na.
How much left?
3.
How?
Fish can't drown. I want
Correct again. One alive?
Only one leave.
1. You sure?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
3 fish in a bowl.
Yeah.
2 drown. Left 1.
Yes, you said there 2 fish in a bowl.
I said 3 fish. 3 fish. And 2 drowned.
Depends on how you drown it.
One,
4.
3.
1.
Me don't know.
Why?
Then drown, but then go still in there. Go.
Fish can't drown.
Me done.
No, one more.
Him give up him freedom that way.
So fish can drown? What you buy to eat, but don't eat?
What you buy to eat but don't eat? What you buy to eat but don't eat?
What you talking about?
What you buy to eat, but don't eat it?
Bite, eat, and don't eat it.
Yeah.
What that? Understand?
What do you buy to eat, but you don't eat it?
Money.
But never eat it.
Buy to eat and never eat it.
What you buy to eat, but you never eat it?
And a bite is and a buy it.
What you buy to eat and don't eat?
Say what?
What the hell could that be?
What?
That one crazy question. When me bite and me don't eat.
You spend the money and buy it, but you don't really get it.
But you don't eat it. I have no clue. This one got me.
What do you buy to eat, but you never eat it?
I don't know. I don't know the question there.
See me buy for eat, me eat.
Yeah.
You don't know the one there.
Me not like when you cannot tell me them.
Me no know.
Something that you buy to eat but never eat. Yeah. Like you use your money to buy it but never eat it. Never eat it.
What you buy to eat?
But don't eat it. What have I bought to eat but never eat it? I don't know. I have no idea.
I don't know what people buy to eat. What they buy?
Buy it, but not eat it. But you don't eat it. Buy it.
That sounds so wrong. That sounds so wrong.
You smart. You very smart.
One of the only persons to get that one right.
Me no know. I don't know.
I don't know.
You don't know? Plate.
Plate.
Knife and fork.
You buy for
And fuck. Knife and fork complete.
Oh.
Big up Likkle Wizzies.
Big up Likkle Wizzies.
Come on, no, no busy.
When I'm busy.
This is not a dream. Come here, eat my ice cream. Big up Likkle Wizzies. Come on, no, no busy.